This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Chesapeake. This two-story townhome features a flowing floor plan with formal dining and family room. Step into the updated kitchen with new stainless steel appliances and laminate wood floors. Upstairs, enjoy the two spacious bedrooms and updated bathroom with new paint and fixtures. Don't forget about the full privacy fenced backyard for all your needs. Live and enjoy all while minutes away from shopping, entertainment, military bases, interstates, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-385-3966.